Installing new windows in your Doral home is a great way to improve its energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. However, window installation can also be a costly investment. Fortunately, with some careful planning and smart choices, you can achieve a budget-friendly window installation without compromising on quality. Here are the top tips to help you save money while enjoying beautiful and efficient new windows. Set a realistic budget. The first step to keeping your window installation project within budget is to establish a realistic budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on the project, including the cost of materials, labor, and any additional expenses. Having a clear budget will help you stay focused on affordable options and prevent overspending. Research and compare options. Not all windows are created equal, and prices can vary significantly based on the materials, brand, and features. Take the time to research different types of windows, such as vinyl, wood, or aluminum, and their associated costs. Compare various brands to find products that fit your budget while still meeting your needs for energy efficiency, durability, and style. Get multiple quotes to find the most affordable window installation services in Doral. Request quotes from at least 3 different companies. Make sure each quote includes a breakdown of the costs, such as the price of the windows, labor, and any additional fees. Comparing quotes allows you to identify the best value for your money and avoid overpaying for the same level of service. Consider vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are one of the most cost-effective options available for homeowners in Doral. They are durable, low maintenance, and provide excellent insulation, making them an ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers. Unlike wood windows, vinyl windows do not require regular painting or staining, which helps save on long-term maintenance costs. Focus on energy efficiency. While energy-efficient windows may have a higher upfront cost, they can save you money in the long run by reducing your energy bills. Look for windows with features such as double or triple panes, low E-glass coatings, and gas-filled insulating chambers. These features help keep your home cooler during Doral's hot months and reduce the workload on your air conditioning system. Over time, energy savings can offset the initial cost of the windows. Take advantage of seasonal promotions. Many window installation companies in Doral offer seasonal discounts and promotions to attract customers. Plan your project around these sales periods to maximize your savings. For example, you may find deals during slower months or promotional discounts on energy-efficient windows. Don't hesitate to ask companies about their current offers and any upcoming sales. Replace multiple windows at once. If you have multiple windows that need replacing, consider replacing them all at once rather than one at a time. Many window installation companies offer discounts for bulk orders, which can lower the overall cost per window. Grouping multiple replacements together can also save on labor costs, as installers can complete the job more efficiently. Opt for standard sizes. Custom windows can be more expensive than standard-sized ones due to the additional time and materials needed to manufacture them. If possible, Choose standard-sized windows to keep your costs down. If custom sizing is unavoidable, work closely with your contractor to find the most cost-effective solution. Choose a reliable, cost-effective contractor. Finding a reliable and cost-effective contractor is key to a successful budget-friendly installation. Look for local Doral contractors with a good reputation for providing quality work at fair prices. Read reviews, ask for referrals, and check credentials to ensure you're hiring a reputable company. A trustworthy contractor will work with you to find budget-friendly options and will not pressure you into unnecessary upgrades. Consider DIY preparation work. While professional installation is highly recommended for windows, you can save money by taking on some of the preparatory work yourself. Tasks like removing old windows or clearing the installation area can reduce labor costs. However, only attempt these tasks if you are confident in your abilities, as improper preparation can lead to additional costs later on. Look for tax credits and rebates. In some cases, upgrading to energy-efficient windows may qualify you for tax credits or rebates from local, state, or federal programs. Check with local utility companies or government agencies to see if there are any incentives available for installing energy-efficient windows. These programs can significantly reduce the overall cost of your window installation project. Negotiate pricing. Don't be afraid to negotiate with window installation companies. Many contractors are willing to offer discounts, waive fees, or provide additional value-added services to win your business. Politely ask if there is any room for negotiation or if they can match a competitor's quote. Conclusion: budget-friendly window installation in Doral is possible with the right approach and a bit of research. By setting a realistic budget, choosing cost-effective materials, comparing quotes, and taking advantage of promotions, you can achieve a high-quality installation at an affordable price. With smart planning, you'll enjoy the benefits of beautiful, energy-efficient windows without breaking the bank.